celebrate the season of tricks and treats. The sights, the sounds. Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friends, this is Halloween.
When you hear the knell of the requiem bell,
Here goes being where the spirits dwell.
restless bones etherealize.
Rise as spooks of every size. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Happy homes materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moon climbs high over the dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out and socialize. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make us in trick or treat till the neighbors go to die of fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this world we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Happy Halloween, darlings! This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. The Lucas of Rugacum, winds of the Caspian Sea. Larynxus, Lacitus, Max Laryngitis, La Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Fortunate souls in pain, in need.
Yes.
Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. Poor unfortunate souls. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a side. Trial. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Look out for Cruella de Vil.
It's
Heffalumpa-woozle is very confused. A Heffalumpa-woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twos, but if they so choose us, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Elephants on parade, here they come, really hungry. They're here, and there's elephants everywhere. Elephants on parade!
Life's no fun without a good scare. Look at Halloween's magic in the air.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the
Man, you call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. Hey! I say boogie boogie! I say boogie boogie! I say boogie 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 boo! I say boogie 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 boo! Whoa! 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 'Cause I'm the boogie boogie man! Oh yeah! All right! It's so scary! Yeah,
Why, we've only begun to heat things up. Let's show them just how spirited an All Hallows Eve celebration can really be!
And now I've saved the best for last. The Halloween Scream-Along. You're all invited to scream like you're trying to wake the dead. Ha! Come on, Zero. We'll take flights to new heights.
This is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Everybody scream!
Everybody scream! celebrate with us again.